Review Hub. Item type: saddlebags. Brand name: Rhinowalk. Name: Motorcycle Quick Release Side Bag. Model name: MJX2004. Capacity: 35 liters. Size: 38 centimeters x 20 centimeters x 44/63 centimeters L x W x H. Material: 1680D polyester. Department: unisex adult. Water resistance level: waterproof. Outer material: polyester. Product style: classic. Color: black. Weight: 5,835 grams. Accessory: waterproof inner bag 1, map pocket 1, quick release adapter 1, set mounting 1. High concern chemicals: none. Origin: mainland China. Check description below for product link.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos.